Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to SuperATV's Stark and Jarvis. So this duo started as a 2021 Can-Am Defender Pro, as well as a 2021 Can-Am Renegade XMR. So let me show you what this build is made of. For the suspension, we went with SuperATV's 6-inch high clearance lift kit with Rhino 2.0 axles. We paired it up with a set of GDP 6-inch dual idler portals with a 45% gear reduction to turn these massive 42-inch Terminator Max tires wrapped around our 22-inch Vulcan Series wheel. To keep the front end of the machine protected, we installed one of our heavy-duty front bumpers equipped with our 4-inch LED cube lights. Down low here, we installed one of our ready-fit 6,000-pound winches to get us out of one of those Whiskey Tango Foxtrot moments. We also equipped the machine with a custom flatbed. We extended it a foot over the factory pro bed, and now this is a place that Jarvis can call home. For the cab, we equipped it with a SuperATV flip windshield, full polycarbonate doors, a rear windshield, as well as a plastic roof. We also equipped both of these machines with a custom army green and gold paint job. And we can't forget about Jarvis. We equipped this guy with a custom paint job, the green and gold, custom seat cover, and also some 32-inch Assassinator tires. To make this machine even more badass, we mounted up a Deuce 50 cal. That's a wrap on these two builds. For more information, check us out online at superatv.com or give us a call at 855-743-3427. We'll see you on the next one.